When you search for bike phone mounts, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find the one that actually holds your phone securely while riding, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, LISEN Bike Phone Holder. The LISEN Bike Phone Holder caught my eye right away. Priced at just $9.98, it's a bestseller with over 6,900 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating. If you want a reliable mount that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for smartphones between 4.7 and 6.8, making it compatible with the latest iPhones and Galaxy models. Installation is a breeze, no tools or complicated setup needed. Just a built-in silicone design that lets you mount it in seconds. Plus, the shock-proof silicone protection means your phone is safe from scratches and bumps. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear people trust this product. Now, some people complained about the stability when using on specific handlebar types. Here's the thing though, if you've got standard handlebars, this will work fine. But if you have unusually shaped or oversized handlebars, you might find some wobble. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-install phone mount for everyday rides. Skip this one if your bike has unconventional handlebars. Honestly, for under $10, the value is pretty solid. Product number 2, Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. Next up is the Lamicall Bike Phone Holder, which is priced at $15.98. This one also has a 4.6-star rating from over 67,000 reviews, making it another bestseller. If you're looking for something sturdy and safe, this is a great option. This phone mount grips each corner of your phone tightly, ensuring it stays secure even on rough terrain. With compatibility for phones from 4.7 to 6.8, you won't have to worry about your latest model fitting. The special locking mechanism is a standout feature that prevents your phone from falling off while riding. Plus, you can easily adjust it to either horizontal or vertical screens, which is great for GPS navigation. And let's not forget the tool-free installation. Just pop it on and you're good to go. With over 20,000 units sold recently, it's a popular choice for good reason. Now, some users mentioned that the red switch for locking can be a bit tricky to operate. Here's the deal though, once you get the hang of it, it really does enhance security. This is perfect if you want a reliable phone holder that's versatile and secure for various bikes. Skip this if you need a super quick release option, as it takes a moment to lock in properly. At this price, it's really worth it for the quality. Product number 3, Lamicall Quick Lock Mount. The third product is another Lamicall, but this one features a quick lock for just $9.64. With a 4.6-star rating and 1,000 reviews, it's gaining popularity. If you need something that can be locked and unlocked in a flash, this is worth considering. This mount fits phones from 6 to 7.2 and can handle cases up to 0.67 thick. What stands out is the one-click locking mechanism that keeps your phone stable even when you hit bumps. It's made from high-strength ABS material, which gives it a solid feel. The installation is tool-free, so you can attach it to handlebars from 0.67 to 1.57 without any hassle. Given that it's already sold over 7,000 times this past month, it's clearly appealing. However, some users found it a bit bulky. Now I get it, if you prefer a minimalistic setup, this might feel a bit too much. But honestly, the security it offers makes it worthwhile for most riders. This is perfect if you want a quick release option for your phone while cycling. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and lightweight. For under $10, it's a steal for the functionality. Product number 4, Deerfun Detachable Holder. Coming in at $7.99, the Deerfun Detachable Bike Phone Holder is next on the list, rated at 4.5 stars from 3,700 reviews. If you want the flexibility of a detachable mount, this one should be on your radar. The detachable design lets you remove your phone quickly without taking off the whole holder, which is super convenient if you need to answer calls or take selfies. It fits phones up to 6.7 wide, which includes a range of popular models. Installation doesn't require any tools, and it uses silicone straps to grip the handlebar securely. With a current sales figure of over 500, it's certainly gaining traction. Some users mentioned that the silicone straps can wear out over time. Here's the thing though, if you treat it well and don't leave it exposed to harsh conditions, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you often need to detach your phone while writing. Skip this one if you want a more permanent mount solution. Honestly, for under $8, it's a great deal. Product number 5, P-Nitri Upgraded Holder. Last but not least is the P-Nitri Upgraded Bike Phone Holder, priced at $9.99 and boasting a 4.7-star rating with over 5,100 reviews. If you want an easy-to-install option, this one is designed for you. This holder features a quick install mechanism that lets you secure it with just a simple twist. Plus, the silicone padding absorbs shocks, which is great for rough rides. The 360 degrees swivel design allows you to adjust your phone's angle easily. With 2,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular. Some users noted that the silicone padding could be a bit too soft, but here's why that's not a deal breaker. It still provides ample grip and protection for your device during rides. This is perfect if you want a hassle-free installation and shock absorption. Skip this if you have a super thick phone case, as it might not fit securely. For $10, the features you get are pretty impressive. So there you have it. The LISEN and Lamicol options are fantastic for security and ease of use, while the Dearphone offers a unique detachable feature. Lastly, the P-Nitri brings quick installation to the table. Depending on what you need, be it quick access, security, or shock absorption, there's a great option for every rider under $10. Happy cycling!